Hello everyone, it is Daryl from Modern Work Mentor. Have you been using meeting notes within Microsoft Teams? You probably know by now that they're powered by Microsoft Loop. I've run a meeting with Laura just now and just wanted to take a look at the meeting notes together. This is the meeting invite within the new calendar experience, and we'll just go through to the recap just to see the meeting notes. So notes you'll find on this first tab, and here it is, it's powered by Microsoft Loop. We set an agenda, we ran through it, we took a few notes together, used some comments, but one of the things that you can do near the end here is you can add follow-up tasks. And these follow-up tasks are created in a table in the notes, and they synchronize to Microsoft Planner. But it creates a different kind of plan. It is just a plan that's connected to this page. It's not connected to any project plan that you might be using. So this can be useful when you want to just quickly capture those tasks, maybe just action them after the meeting as in follow-up. But if you wanted to take those tasks and bring them into a plan, how do we do that? Let's step through that as an example. I'll close this off and we'll go into another place where we can see these notes in Microsoft Loop itself. So let's minimize Teams and we'll go into our Loop experience right here. Right, so this is the Loop app within the Microsoft app. So it's a browser app, and I have opened up the meeting notes view. So this shows me all the meetings that I've had recently where I have attached meeting notes to a Teams meeting. This is the same meeting that we saw earlier and the meeting notes. So here is the same list of tasks that we saw at the bottom. Now if we click over onto the right side of this table, we'll see a couple of options about how we can open up these tasks and see them within the apps that we use to manage our tasks. I can open this in Planner, and I've done this already in this second tab. This is the very same Planner. It is named after the meeting that we created, so it's picked up that subject, and here are the two tasks that are part of following up. Now you'll see that it's quite different to our regular plans. It has this small little icon, purple icon, that is just showing it is a plan that is connected to a page. It is not connected to a Microsoft team, a Microsoft group, a full planner plan. So I want to move this into a new plan that we've created for our project, all about developing this new course. Now that is, if we just step into our team, here it is. It is a channel within Project Radio. It is in a channel called Courses, and it is in a tab called Team Task Management. Empty plan at the moment, but it's going to be a project built out, and we'll be bringing tasks into there over time. So how do we get those tasks from that follow-up tasks in our meeting notes into this more established plan? We'll go back over to Planner, and this is really quite cool. Click on the top right hand corner of a task and choose Move Task. We get to choose in this box the plan that we want to choose to move our task to. So this is our existing plan connected to our meeting notes, but I want to move it into my plan called Team Task Management. And so we'll open that up. We can choose the bucket that we want to shift it to. If I had more buckets there, I could choose, but I've just got the to-do bucket right now, and let's move that task. We'll do the same for Laura's task so that we can keep it all together and start building out our project and not necessarily be using the follow-up tasks on the end of a meeting. So let's do that. Move it to our Team Task Management. Before we do, see the difference between the two plans? One is connected to a Loop page, the other one is a full planner plan. You can see that by the logo. Let's move that. All right, so we see that there are no more tasks in the plan that's connected to our meeting notes. And if we go over to our plan within the team, perhaps we need to just refresh that and see. Go into our planner, and we see the 2 tasks there. So this is good. It means that we have moved our task over to a more established plan, and we can start working together with the rest of our team. So this might be a way that you, after a meeting, you might want to follow up and move those tasks over to the plan that's established with your project and within your team, and that way you can bring your tasks together. The flip side of this is that when you go back to your plan in the follow-up tasks within your team, then you won't see them anymore. You've moved them over. So let's just have a look at that from Laura's point of view. Here she has the meeting invite open. She has the meeting notes available. We can see the same notes that we took together within the plan, but you'll see now that the tasks are no longer there. They are in the plan that we both share. So if Laura wanted to go over and see that, we'll go into the team, go into our channel for courses, into the planner, and those are the tasks that were assigned to each of us during that meeting. So that's how you move it over. It's a simple tip, but I wanted to show you and tell you the full story so you could see where it's all positioned and why we might do this, the good sides and the bad sides, the positives and the negatives of moving the task over there. So if you are keen to see more about task management, about Microsoft 365, then this is the channel you want to follow. You can also find related modern work workouts at modernworkmentor.com. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.